Hello everyone, today we are going to create a twisted sari look. So let's get started. So this is from Swiss Beauty. It's a face oil. It's really good. I got some new products and I'm really excited to try them. So yeah, let's get started. Now I'm going to moisturize my face. Now it's primer time. Prime your face, close all your open pores and moisturize your lips. Now eyebrows, brows. Done. Comb it with the spoolie. Now it's eye makeup time. Conceal your eyelids so that your eye makeup doesn't look cakey or patchy. Now we are going to use this new eyeshadow palette. I'm excited to use this. Now first the transition color according to your skin tone. Blend, blend, blend. We are going to use this pink color on our outer corner and on your crease area. Blend, blend, blend. Now a little dark. Apply it on your outer corner on your crease area. Like this. Place it and then blend it. Blend it real nice. Now we are going to use this shimmery color from this nude eyeshadow palette. Done. Now eyeliner time. We are not going for winged eyeliner. Done. Now face makeup. So this is the new product. This is color corrected in orange shade. It's really nice. Because of some lighting issues ये आपको शो नहीं हो पा रहा है अच्छे से, but it's really nice. Now foundation. Now conceal all your dark spots. Blend, blend, blend. Put this face powder on your face wherever you have used the concealer. Now this contouring palette. It's really nice. So contour your cheeks. The other side on your forehead and your jawline. Now for the nose, I'm going to use this cream contouring palette and blend with the beauty blender. Now dust off the powder. Now for the lower lash line, we are going to use this kajal and place it on our lower lash line. We are not going to put it on our waterline. And then blend, blend, blend. Now this pink shade for lower lid. Blend, blend, blend to give it a nice look. And then we are done. And we are going to put this white kajal on our waterline so that our eyes look bigger and sexy. Done. Now mascara time. Done. Now it's time for blush. A little blush on our cheeks, nose and chin, and then this cream highlighter. Then again, lighting issues, but this is really good. You can see the pictures on my Instagram. The pictures are really good, and this look, I just love this look. And put the shimmer on our ink. Now for the lips, we are going to use this lip liner. And this matte shade on our lips. And then this lipstick, I don't know what this is called, crayon lipstick, like it's really good. Yeah, she is a bitch. And then this sindoor tikka. And then finish it off with this makeup set spray. Now for the hairstyle, we are going to curl our hairs. Okay, curl it up. And also ignore my nails. This is all because of our trippy. Whatever. Yeah, ignore my nails. That's it. And curl our hairs. This took really long time for me, but yeah, the results was very good for me. As for you, just have a look and tell me how was it. Do you like it or not? And if you have any suggestion, you can tell me in the comment box. Done. So here's the final result. So if you like this look and this is helpful for you, please